fell so hard when I said I wasn't falling. Had my walls up, couldn't let you get inside. But my safety net's gone and now I'm all in. And I'm scared that one day you might change your mind. And I don't know why it don't feel right. Oh, why's it so hard for me to let you in? Give you the key to get inside my head. I don't wanna make the same mistakes again, 'cause I know how this could end. And they always say that I did nothing wrong, but every time that they leave, feel like it's all my fault. Am I letting go when I need to hold on? This is always how it ends. You know I've been hurt by others before you, so I'm sorry if I shut you out before you get the chance to leave me all a mess. And I don't know why it don't feel right. And I don't know why I can't decide. Oh, why is it so hard for me to let you in? Give you the key to get inside my head. I don't wanna make the same mistakes again, 'cause I know how this could end. And they always say that I did nothing wrong, but every time that they leave, feel like it's all my fault. Am I letting go when I need to hold on? This is always how it ends. And I let my guard down, you let me down. I get hurt now, and then it happens all again. I open up, it's just bad luck. Only ends up with me left alone. And I let my guard down, you let me down. I get hurt now, and then it happens all again. I open up, it's just bad luck. Only ends up with me left alone again. Again, left alone again. This is always how it ends.
Saze sahlangana once again. Hello and welcome back. Igama lam ndinguZinathi, also known as Wonke Umfazi Osemangcwetsheni. For all those who know me, siyabulela kakhulu for coming back, and you guys, you're amazing people. Thank you so much and welcome. If you've never seen any of our videos, please subscribe, then you'll see more. Uzawubona ezinye videos that we've made and that we will still be making for you guys. So let us get into today's video. We will be discussing the fireplace, costs, labor, and how long it took. So a fireplace was always part of a plan year building yet. I had mentioned also in the summary building video that what was still missing was a fireplace, and eventually we had to start with it because I wanted a fireplace for umcimbi. I asked basiyenze before umcimbi wethu, so what a wife asks, a wife gets. So yeah, siye saqalisa ke with the project yeziko, which did not take long. The first day bekusenziwe foundation, then the following day kwaqaliswa, and then actually it was 3 days. Let me not mistake. Okay, so let me not confuse the day foundation yashwa phakathi, and then they continued the second day. Banyusa isitena sonke islab, isitena sonke, then kwafakwa islab. Basishiya ke ngoku for that day to dry, and came back the third day kuzokwenziwa i-plastering. So kuzolungiswa yonke into, i-plastering, and yabe yaqetywa kanjalo. Then they came back for painting kwazopeyintwa, then they had to wait for the cobalt, which is the cover on top, because ibilapha kuthi, so we were only bringing it when we come back. So we had to travel down with Yona. We did not see the need to courier it because asisesehla nathi in a few weeks to come, if not a few days. So yeah, so it took about 4 days because of imvula okokuqala. So I think foundation, they had to stop and not start with anything on that day because of rain, and they continued second day. But you said so it was 5 lines idonga lethu. The size of our fireplace was 3.5 by 3.5. Initially we wanted a 4x4, and a 4x4 was quite big, especially for a position that we decided to put our fireplace. So we wanted a 4x4 for the initial spot that we're going to use, which was a corner, but that never happened. We changed a spot. So for the spot that it was allocated for, 3x5 was the best we could do, and it's quite big, enough for anything. Uyakwazi upheka yonke into yakho, imbiza zakho ziyafitha esenta kakuhle, nihlale nizihlalele nababrayo benze loo nto bakwazi uyenza. So it's quite big, it's not small. So 3x5, 3.5 by 3.5 was our size. When it comes to labor, I want to make it very clear, guys. In the labor is not standard. When it comes to labor, back home you use abantu baselalini, and negotiator, and nabo they ask for the amount they want to ask for. If bathi sisi or bhuti sicela usiphe 1,000 rand, or hayi man ncoche kawenza 2,000, uyabo. Also it also depends basebenza bebangaphi. If usebenze yi-1, kuba lula uba akuprice ngeprice reasonable kakhulu, but for projects where they need uqova udaka, amanzi, uyabo, and also for into ze-plastering, some people abakho good kwi-plastering, bagood unyusistena, so baye baze ke ngoku maybe beyi-group of 2 or 3. In our case bebathathu, and ngabantu bethu, ngabantu basefemelini, so you can understand the labor won't be much of an effect when it comes to our costs. Same like our building. I-building ibilwisa kakhulu, abantu befuna i-labor cost, ndabe ndiyi-explaina over and over again uba nyhani ke bekungokhi abakhi abantu baqhelileyo, ibingutata. So nyhani ke that will affect how you guys charge, because ngumntu wenu. Not that niyabaqhatha, but ngabantu benu. Xa ifika isithi umalume wakho, hayi mtshana khawenze 500, ndiza kulungiselela esi stuphu. You understand? So that's how our pricing goes. We are starting with a breakdown here costs zethu. We used cement 10 bags, and 10 bags yethu 800. So cement went into plastering. Cement also went into slab upper pants for ukwenza phansi kube level. So that was 800 for cement, 10 bags. You can use less, you can use more, but we used that number. We also opted for the option of using damaged bricks. DIY Engcobo has an option of buying damaged bricks. I'm not sure about other warehouses. We have that option of buying bricks esezophukile. So for a project efana nale, it made sense usebenzisa i-bricks esezophukile. So we bought ipallet zayi-3 for our bricks ezophukileyo, and that was plus minus 1.5 for bricks. Then we used bricks zethu for unyusa udonga, the lines emasayidini at the back, and also izitulo. We used bricks phaya. We did not use umhlaba or cement or anything. So we used bricks, and then plastering was done on top of those bricks to cover for his seats. So his seats, we have them around, let's say right and left, and then we have them up until, like, I think it's a quarter of space that we used for is continuation with the seat. And then we had our chimney area where we built sanyusa indawo yofaka the actual fireplace. And then we built that small chimney space with imambara bricks ezizibomvu. We use those tiny ones, and zona sizisebenzise small bricks zayi plus minus 500. They may be less because zikhona ezishiyekileyo, so we bought 500 and esiyi-1 ngathi 1.50 rand. So for small bricks it cost was 750. So 750 for imambara and 1.5 for broken damaged bricks. And then as I said, it was up bricks, it was 3 pallets which made 5 lines, and it is done. We also needed sand, and we used the 4-ton, which cost us 1.5. We also needed amanzi. We got 5,000 for it, like 5,000 liters. We got amanzi 1.5. We also bought concrete. Concrete now was also 4-ton, which was concrete was also 1.5. So also abantu abathutha ezinto ekhayeni, it's also our brothers, our people. You always have a chance to negotiate. You also needed paint. You can get your 10 liters, you can get your 20 liters. In our case, we already had leftovers when it comes to paint. For first coat, we had leftovers for paint. The limestone, we already had that. We also had charcoal for lines ezi. Yeah, those. So for ukwenza zona. So for ukwenza zona, we used the leftovers. 5 liters was enough, and we already had 20 liters ebesinayo for upenda ibody yeziko. And then we also needed a cobalt for our chimney to cover it on top, and I shared this on my previous videos. And our cobalt was from Takealot, and it was 300 millimeters, and we got that for 1.399. I recently shared on my Instagram. It was 1.399. I recently shared on my Instagram. They had a sale. I think it was 900 rand somewhere. I can't remember where it was, but I shared on my Instagram for anyone who was interested. And then kula party yetafile, I asked for a table area where we would use that maybe for mega trays to put our drinks, to put our plates, whatever we will be needing, or our spices if you're cooking. So I asked for that part to have it high. So they did some tiling on that area, and we used 2.5 tiles, and the half was used for the sides, but it was not completely done because of rain until the day yomcimbi uqala. So it was not properly neatly done, but it was perfect for the job. So yeah, we used 3 2.5 tiles. So kulo breakdown we have 7,950. This is the amount of things that we used. This 7,950 is excluding labor. So for labor, you can say you will be paying 1.5, you will be paying 2,000. So if you're paying them that amount, if you may pay abantu bakho 2,000 for the whole job, you may end up paying around 9,950, depending on how much labor you'll be using, and also depending on the size of your fireplace. If iziko lakho you want it to be 4 meters, 4 meters will be extra. So you just need to be ready on the size. What size will you be taking? But if you're doing 3.5, this is the breakdown for 3.5. And we chose the 4 corner the four corner option because I liked that option. So I went for that one. And yeah, I just wanted something in Jaya because I've seen it before. So that is our pricing. And I think a budget yako can be plus minus 10,000, which can be less, which will be less, not can, which will be less. It will be less, depending on so many things. Who are you buying from? Where are you buying? And because now it's less than 10,000. It's less than 10,000, but it's almost that budget. So 9,000 can be a budget or less. If you want four, it can be more, maybe plus minus 10,000 if you are doing 4 meters by 4 by 4. So that is that on that. I know a lot of people have been mentioning ukuthi nakwelam I would like to have a cover on top so that it does not rain. Yeah, guys, these things, they always come with options. That's the nice thing about doing your own thing and the way you want it and the way you had a vision. Yeah, you envisioned your plan and how you will execute it. It depends kuwe. And that's why Cine's base is it to do all these things. You can play around with your mind. You can go as wild as you want. You can go crazy. So when I was pitching the idea to Habi a few years back, I was like, I wanted to have a cupboard. If we can get elazinkile cupboard ntom siyifake ngaphezulu izawukhavarisha imvula iqingqeleke ize ngapha siyenze ibe nee-lights ngaphakathi ibe ntle, and I want it ibe white. I want a fireplace ibe plain white with a touch of black, so that ii-lights zethu zibe black, ezaa lights zintle zenza i-outdoor ibe yabo. So I had that vision, but when we brought it into practicality, we were like, a pure white, a plain white fireplace ekhayeni. Firstly, our landscape phansi sinengca sinodaka kuyanetha most of ixesha ezilalini kuyanetha, imvula iyathandwa kakhulu. So izawuba njani apha phantsi lo white wakho because kuhlale kunetha. Okay, then we came up with an option ukuthi sizoyenzela i-apron so that imvula iqengqeleke and all of that. And honestly, we thought about it like over time. We had these discussions back and forth. I would share this, I would share that. And we were like, no, actually, it does not really have to be white. If it can be the same color as the paint, which is not a problem. I still get problems. I really fast. So I also thought of abantwana xa bekhwela kuye, because kuzawukhwelwa iwesi xa you have no control over who does what kwezinye izpaces because awukho kuloo ndawo at that point. So abantwana, they enjoy uhlala phaya, especially teenagers. That's what I picked up. Bekuhleli bona apha thina siphekile sagqiba, right, then samuvela egarage and into ezininzi besizenze egarage. So kumuviwe sayohlala ngasegaraji satshintsha nezibhodi, sakhangela indawo ezipholileyo to sit kakuhle and enjoy ourselves after umcimbi uphelile. So ichance yohlala phaya kakhulu was not really there. It was there for usebenzela sipheke, but we enjoy it more xa kungekho mcimbi as a family and our friends and our neighbors. So iba mnandi kakhulu ke ngoku xa kunjalo. But now xa kukho umcimbi abantwana abanye bakhwela ngaphezulu, so will you be able to control ezo zinto bana sanukhwela ngeenyawo uzawuba ngumama onjani, kusisi onjani, ube ukhwazana nabantwana kukho umcimbi. Nam ndingahamba kulo mcimbi zabe ndikhwaza kusema ngakhweli ngeenyawo endaweni ethile ndingumntwana. Do you understand? So I did not think white will be practical for us. I think maybe xa iyindlu yakho private apho uhlala khona eCape Town yakho, you can have that, yeah, that vibe intle kakhulu ingathi kwi-holiday whatever kwakho, yabo, then enjoy your dinners kuyo ibe i-white injalo. So it didn't make sense for us uba siyenze ibe white. Sayitshintsha, we changed the option, and then we thought about the cupboard yangaphezulu. Safumana i-quotation yayo, it was damn expensive. Ela zinc, is it corrugated? I can't remember how they refer to it. So yaba expensive kakhulu ke ngoku ikoti yethu xa sizawufaka nalaa nto, because you need ezaa poles zelaa nto kanazo ze-steel. So it just did not make sense as much as bana icover yona would have made sense because kuyanetha oko. So uye nifuna ucover uba covered, then laa ndirhalile uyenze ke ibe ilandele laa four corner wayo, ibe ngathi nyhani ibizawuba yiparking yemoto, ibe yi-carport, then amasayidi abe around ezi kona zeziko. And then that did not happen. We changed it because of our coach, and we're enjoying it noba ayikho covered. So omnye umntu may go as far as covering it and ngaphezulu. Then what else? Lights zona we need it because siya realize ukuthi we would have to get someone ozosicalela intambo yofika pha, because that was not planned when we were building. So zange siyazi uba we will put iziko phaya, so masibe nentambo ehambayo ngaphantsi ezoyofika phaya, because asifuni intambo ezawuhamba ngaphezulu. So we still need to sort out indaba ye-lights. So we need ilight enkulu phaya noba eyi-one, so that kube bright kakuhle. But for now it's bright enough because siphantsi kwesibane esikhulu from ipali yombane. So we are sorted with lighting, and ne-lights zethu from endlini, they are bright enough. So having lights ezinkulu kanje, it's also covering iziko. It's not dark, you can sit, but it would be nice if kuzoba bright ngathi usendlini. One more thing that we also did, I also asked for compartments for our wood. So we did 2 compartments for storing our wood, izohlala kakuhle, ibe nice and neat, so that singabi neenkuni ezijuliweyo everywhere. And I like to keep my ziko in that order, ibe clean. I don't want anything ezawuhlala pha. So we have 2 slots for our wood. Then the bigger one is under the table where we'll put our things. So under that one, it's quite high. So imnandi, you can even store izinto zakho that you may normally use phaya. Like for instance, if you have a pot that you would like to store for the days usekhona before you travel, if awuhlali khona. So I just keep imbiza that I frequently use, or ibhakoti that we frequently use, and imvula ayifiki nofika because it's covered, well covered kakuhle. Neenkuni zethu we made sure ukuthi ibuye umva i-compartment le where we store the wood. And also I was worried about the slab pants xa kubaswa. I was like, kuzobakho amalahla amdaka. You can put zinc, so that when you're done cooking, izinto elikhulu, so that you guys, when you're done upheka, iinkuni sele zitshile kushe kuthuthu namalahle, you can just pick up laa zinki uyolahla apho nilahla khona udoti wenu, or fake ekirivini kuyolahla. Or you can even cook. Mna ndiyalitshayela ke elam. I was worried about uba iqhekeke because of the fire, because we make big fires for imicimbi mos. So what if it cracks? What if the slab cracks? So I really think it's safe uba uzenzele a nice zinc, or wenze islab sakho, maybe see like go as low, niyenzele ke ngendlela yenu niyenza ngayo, so that ingabreaki islab around iziko lonke. I do not know what you guys may think, but Tina, we could not go for that option, because when I looked at Lapeng's fireplace, ebe nayo lesa slab usi in the middle, we enze something corner for her fireplace, but it could not work for us because we use big pots. And if kuphekwe imbiza eziyi-6 or 4 ezenkomo, umngqusho, this and that, omnye mhlawumbi ubhakile on the side, we cannot have anything ezawurestricta ezambiza. So having a flat slab esiplain was more practical for us. But if umuntu ke ozaba particular about ubeka iziko, ufuna ukungcola, ufuna ukuthina amalahle, liyaklineka. And also another thing that you need to emphasize to abakhi bakho is to ask them bayenze ibe a bit ingabi flat, ingabi straight, so that imvula if kungakho amanzi angabikho ndawo ezawuhlala amanzi azehlele kakuhle. I'm really happy about that. Asoze ndifike kubonakala kwamvula apha mna noba kubonetha ngoku amanzi awekho, even on the chairs, on the areas zohlala akho manzi ahlalayo. The only part endiye ndifike mhlawumbi kukho just nje ifuna ukosulwa, it's that area ye-tile. I just wipe it xa ndizayisebenzisa, even yona ayingcoli. So beautiful things. And ke guys, into entle ibonwe emntwini. So silibonile iziko kuMamthembu sonke, abanye abalibonanga kuye, balibone kwabanye abantu. Mna ndilibonile kuMamthembu and I was inspired. I really liked the concept. And then in terms of design, I saw the design, sorry, on YouTube there was a guy from, I think from Mexico. I saw the four corner, but now they had it for gatherings, the family, wherever. So I was like, I like the shape. Then the shape was inspired by that. And then I discovered a channel called Simply Rilobegile on Instagram. Then I started adding a fireplace in Yugayo with the cobalt. So that she inspired that part, the top part with the cobalt on top. And I also followed her for the installation yayo cobalt. I took that inspiration from Simply Rilobegile. And then I saw Lapeng's house by Pearl. I discovered her page also for a shape and the colors. So she went with dark charcoal for Iziko like initially, and she was not happy with la dark charcoal. So I also learned from her ukuthi ayizubantle if ndiyenza ibe dark, izabantle ku-white, but yena it's perfect for a family of you and your kids. When it comes to amabhandi, that's what Happy calls them, amabhandi. When it comes to the top, I went for ucharcoal phaya, so that yendawo ke ngoku ingcolayo kakhulu, where we are busy khona nabantwana can always jump nalapha kwi-seat. Ndacela uba uHappy sinze kube charcoal kulaa ndawo ine-seats, but ke asikayenzi le ye-seats, but we did i-brackets charcoal. And then apha ngaphakathi kwi-chimney I advised uba sifake i-paint. I got this paint from Ulabeng, that's Pearl on Instagram. I-paint yakhe wayeyishirile, the paint that she used for eyakhe fireplace, and we will be using that because uthi ayitshi ngumlilo, it's inside the chimney phaya, so ayitshi, so that ingatshisi the bricks as you guys are using your fire. So I think later we will be doing that. And also i-budget, i-code ye-fireplace, laa nto yangaphakathi ifakwayo, i-braai thingy, the braai thingy, i-expensive nayo. I will share the amount yayo apha. It will take a lot, you can find it take a lot, plus minus 7,000 for ufaka kwi-braai place yakho, ubeke inyama yakho, cover it and all of that. It's quite expensive to install it, but nayo ingayinto ya later in the years. We are not in a rush for yona. See, we can still braai nangoku, we just have it net plain, then siyayilungiselela and we do our thing. That is all for this video. It does not have to be that long. There is not much to it except for a cost breakdown and also how long it took us. So yeah, that is the end of my yapping. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to press the like. If you're subscribed, I love you and thank you for always being here and supporting this channel. And the channel ikhuliswa ngabantu abafana nani, bamangazibini bantu bam, for always being here. And if you're here for the first time, ungahambi, stick with us. Ziyezi ezinye videos. I will see you again on the next one. Cheers guys.